This transforms a tired complexion.
So I've got a really quick and easy makeup technique to share with you. When you feel your skin is really missing that glow, in the winter skin looks a little bit dull, time of the month, hormonal changes, perhaps you're just not getting enough sleep, this makeup technique helps combat dull looking skin. This is what I do as a professional makeup artist. You're going to seek out a very subtle shade of bronzer. The one that I like to use is this one by Lord & Berry, and it's in shade Toffee. If the rest of your skin isn't tanned, then you could risk your face looking too bronzed and the rest of your skin not. So the trick is to go for a subtle shade of bronzer. I'm going to share with you my makeup artistry tricks on applying bronzer like a pro. To apply bronzer, you're going to need a big fluffy brush like this. So you need to find a brush that has quite a wide circumference. This isn't contouring. We want everything to look very natural. You need the bristles to be very soft because we don't want any harsh lines. This one I'm using is by Nanchi. Dust your brush into your bronzer. Tap off any excess off the brush. Imagine the sun is above you. Where is that sun naturally going to fall on your face? It's almost like a kind of C. You're going from the center of the forehead down to the ear here, and then cheek, smile, big circular motions across the cheek, bridge of the nose, chin. Don't forget to marry up the colour down your neckline here. Now I'm going to do this side of my face so you can see the subtle difference. Now if you like to wear your hair up, tops of the ears, the back of your neck too. If you want to build up more of a glow, simply add another layer. Lastly, what I always love to do, squeeze the brush together like that to make it nice and thin, and then I just go in the socket of my eye. Quick windscreen wipe, just to give a little bit of definition to my eye, but not obvious like I'm wearing any eyeshadow. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you soon for another video. Bye!